Have you ever had a time when a girl or a guy was sitting next to you and they were just laughing for no apparent reason? You just want to look at them and be like, shut up. Don't you guys just remember when everybody went from hump day, yeah, to she looked like booty or not? She looked like booty or not? Don't you just hate when you lose your chapstick and you can't even find it? Mama, I need some chapstick. This ain't working. Do for the vine, I ain't gonna do it. Do for the vine, I ain't gonna do it. Do for the vine, I ain't gonna do it. 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 And I will always love food. Oh crap. My doctor said I need to lose weight. Oh, I'm thirsty. But do I choose pop or this healthy water? Pop or water? My doctor said I need to eat and drink healthy. I choose pop. Freak what the doctors say. If I get fat, I get fat. Have you ever had a time when someone was standing behind you and you thought somebody in front of you was talking to you, but they were actually talking to the person behind you? I feel stupid. Crap. Have you ever had a crush on a boy, but he really, it looks like he likes you, but when you go out and ask him out, he says, I'm not into you. You're ugly. Get out of here. You look like King Kong. Hey guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I bet she did. I really hope you guys like this video, and I will be doing a, the rest of this time until it hits 4 minutes. My sister will be putting a show on for you guys, so I'll hurry up. So, here we go.
Welcome to our town, Governor Groundhog. Let's give the governor a big, nice, and friendly governor's welcome. Governor Groundhog, he's here. Hold this.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Tell me what you want me to do next, and I'll try my best to do it. Bye, guys. Mwah.